What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So today I'm installing a leveling kit on my truck. Let me show you. So this side is all done. So I put a control arm and a block so it could look level. I'm gonna show you guys how it's done on this side. So that's how it looks when you take off the wheel. All you gotta do is take off the wheel, remove that, this bolt, the strut, so those three, two on the bottom, and this one right here, and this one of course, and then it will drop down. I'll show you guys. Okay, so I removed the strut. You have to remove it to take these bolts out. I wish you didn't have to, but you have to remove it. All right, after you remove it, you loosen these and then you take them out, and then you replace this. Don't forget to take this nut off, but don't take it off till you take these nuts off. And then take it off, let it hang for a little, put the arm, and you pull everything back together. All right, this one's finally installed. I put the strut in. You don't have to tighten these, just start them. And you put the block in, as you guys can see. Then you tighten everything up, and that should be it. I'll show you guys once I put everything together. All right, everything's nice and tightened down. That's how it should look. Got the block, the arm, the upper control arm. That's how it's supposed to look. All on nice and leveled. Tints are next. Stay tuned for more upgrades.